Hello viewers, this is Learn Eas with Geetha. Today we are going to learn about parts of a plant. We have already learned the parts of our body. How we have parts in our body, the same way plants do have parts in them. Today we will learn about that. Children, have you seen a plant? Yes, isn't? Yes, I will show you a plant and you just identify. What is this, children? This is a plant. Now observe what parts it has. Isn't? See, down it is having some hair-like structure, and here something that it is having, and some they are green in color, isn't? Yes, all these are different parts of a plant. Now we will learn what are the parts of a plant. See here, this is what? This is a plant. Now we will look into each part of the plant. The first and foremost part is root. What is this? Root. Root will be inside the soil. Where will be the roots? The roots will be inside the soil. Can you see roots? No. It will be inside the soil. The first part which is visible above the soil is stem. What is this called? Stem. What is this? Stem. See here, we have something which has went this side and that side, isn't? What are they called? They are called branches. What do we call them? Branches. See, what do branches have? The branches have green color something, isn't? Yes. What are they called? They are called leaves. What do we call them? Leaves. And what is this? Flower. This is called what? Flower. The flower is the most beautiful part of a plant. We love flowers, isn't it or not? There are so many colors of flowers are there. Some are very small, some are little big, and some they are big flowers also. And see here, what is this? This is fruit. What do we call this? Fruit. Have you seen fruits? Do you eat fruit daily? Yes, it's good for health. Every day we should eat fruits and vegetables. Here we have learned the parts of a plant. What are the parts of a plant? Root, stem, branches, flower, fruit. All these are called what? Parts of a plant. Like how we have parts in our body like head, hands, legs. In the same way, a plant also has many parts. These are called what? Parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Okay, children? Did you get it? Yes. Now, we will come to know what do they do. That is called functions of a parts of a plant. This is what? Root. We know that this is called what? Root. Where will be the roots? Yes, they will be inside the soil. What does it do? Root holds the plant tightly. What does the root do? Holds the plant tightly. Holds the plant tightly in the soil. Next one is stem. Stem, what does it have? It has branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. Stem bears, branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. What does the leaf has? Leaf is called kitchen of a plant. That means leaf prepares food for plant. We eat. What do we eat? We eat food from plants. Then what do plants eat? What do plants eat? Who gives food to them? Who prepares food to them? Leaves prepare food to the plants. Leaves prepare food to the plant. That's why leaves are called what? Kitchen of the plant. And next we have flower. Flowers are very beautiful, isn't it? Yes, these flowers changes into fruits or vegetables. If it is a vegetable plant, the fruit will be changed, flower will be changed into vegetable. If it is a fruit plant, the flower will be changed into fruit. And next comes fruits. Next come fruits. What do fruits have? Fruits have seeds in them. What do fruits have? Fruits have seeds in them. That seeds help for growing another plant. A baby plant will be there in seed. From that seed itself, again a plant will grow. Now we learned, isn't children? Once again we will see. What is this? Root. Hair-like structure, isn't? How we have hair on our head? In the same way, the roots are there. This is what? Root. What does the root do? Root holds the plant. Root holds the plant. Holds the plant. Root holds the plant. Where it holds? In the soil. Where does it hold? In the soil. In the soil. Root holds the plant in the soil. Next, what do we have here? Stem. What is here? Stem. Stem bears. What is the stem bears? Branches, leaves, fruits and flowers. What is the stem bears? Stem bears. Stem bears. What is it bears? Yes, stem bears. Branches, fruits and flowers. The stem bears branches, fruits and flowers. This is what? Stem. Next, what we have? Leaf. Leaf is called what? I said already, isn't? Leaf prepares food for the plant. That's why what do we call leaf? Kitchen of a plant. What is the leaf called? Kitchen of a plant. Leaves prepare. What does it prepare? Prepare food for plants. What does it prepare? Leaves prepare food for plants. And flower. Flower is the most beautiful part of a plant, isn't it? Yes. Flower changes into fruit. What does the flower do? Flower changes into fruit. Flower changes into fruit. The next one is fruit. What do fruits have? Fruits have seeds inside them. What do fruits have? Fruits have seeds inside them. The fruits have seeds inside them. These fruits help to grow what? Seeds inside them, isn't that helps to grow what? Another plant. That helps to grow another plant. This is what? Parts of a plant and its functions also we learned. Isn't? Shall we see once again? Yes. This is what? Roots. These are what? Roots. Roots. Root holds the plant in the soil. Stem. Stem bears branches, fruits and flowers. Leaf. Leaves prepare food for plants. Flower. Flower changes into fruit. Flower changes into fruit. Then fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. Fruits have seeds inside them. This is what? Parts of a plant. Today what did we learn, children? We learn about parts of a plant. I said that there are different sizes and colors in flowers, isn't or not? Yes. See, flowers are in different size and different color. The most biggest flower in the world is Rafflesia. Which is the biggest flower? Rafflesia is the biggest flower. Did you understand, children? If you like this video, please do subscribe us. Thank you.